up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. First off, hope you're all having a great day today. And today we are going and putting my roof on my RZR Polaris 570 RZR. My fault. And then at the end of this video, we're gonna go and feed the animals. So let's get to it. We got little clamps, and my dad right now is just hand tightening the bolts for the clamps, and the clamps just go clamp them onto this right here. They hold on, then I'll have a roof. I got a windshield, I got a roof, just to finish it off.
And you got a winch too, we need to put on.
Yeah. So right there, you hand tie it on. So we're just gonna do that for every single one before we tighten them. Or are we gonna tighten them and then put it on?
We'll probably put it on and then tighten them.
Okay.
So I can make sure I got them on the right way, because we don't have the directions.
Yeah, we don't have directions. It didn't come with any directions. But yeah, we're gonna do that to every side. Yeah, catch you guys when we're getting time to put the roof on.
Oh, baby Jesus. Oh, man. So the windshield's gonna be in the way a little bit. Nope, never mind. Look at that, perfect spot, look. Get that fall in there.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Okay. And pull it, clamp it.
It's kind of hard to do this.
Push down. Yeah, you got to push down.
All right, guys. I'll just catch you guys. So we got all the clamps on right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Now we are going and we're going to tighten all of them.
I got the... This side. Look at that. Looks like a totally different vehicle now with all the accessories on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Test drive. So what this roof, guys, is gonna do for me is get the sun on my eyes. We have the windshield on to keep the dust out. But lately, the dust, since I've been driving through the dust and all that, it's been going since there's no airflow going through and going backwards. It's going and hitting the windshield, coming up and swirling back in. So yeah, but we're gonna take this thing out for a test drive and yeah, drive it. Now we're gonna go feed the animals. Tom! Come on, Tom! Tom, you want some grain? You want some grain? Come here, girls. There you go, Tom. Give me a little bit more. Here, this is for you. You can eat out of there. Come on. There you go. There you go, buddy. There you go. Hi, Bonbon. up, Guinea? What's up, Bullet? Y'all want some grain? Oh, there's some goats. What's up, Sheba? What's up, Sheba? I don't know her name. How do you call it, Sheba? Chickens. What's up, Carol? I'm not kidding. But this is Salty Pants. Y'all can have some grain. Watch this. Y'all want some grain? Go crazy. Can I have some grain, please? Thank you. What's up, Alflag? Alflag's my white duck. Want some grain? Eat up some grain, girl. Come on, girls, eat up. Eat up some grain. Y'all want some corn or some grain? Get some grain. Yeah, get some grain. Alright, where's the rest of these girls at? There's the herd of the goats right there. All them guys. Slowly coming back. Here comes all the goats. Here they come. They're ready. Come on, girls. Hey, buddy. Buddy, you got grain already. No, really. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Hey, get down. Oh, slam dunk. Come on, girls. Oh, there's Huey. What's up, Huey? What's up, buddy? What's up, Hoo? Hey, buddy. Really? Dang. Eat. Rick. Hey, buddy. Really? Get out. Huey. Hey, Sheba. Rick. Ow. Oh, he horned me. Huey, buddy. Chill. Really? It's not that big of a deal. What's up, Jeff? Man. Oh, man, guys. Herd the goats. Feed the baby. Oh, whiskey. Let's give this rest to whiskey. Here, whiskey. Nope. That's for whiskey. Nope. Sorry, buddy. But yeah. And there's all the goats. There's still more coming, but yeah, it's been all the goats. So if you all like this video, please do a big like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you like that feeding the animals part, just go in the comments and say feeding animals, and that give me a sign that y'all liked it. So, and I might be doing more in the future, but thank you all for watching. See ya.